Okay, we're gonna do a little test run here. See how the lighting is. It's been a while since I've done this. And I really regret that because I was just getting into it really good and then spring happened. But now we're back. So we'll give this a try, see if I can get back on track and on what I was doing. I don't know. I'm gonna get rid of some paint off the side of this, see where all the rust holes are, and we'll go from there. Get the heat going too. I don't know if that camera should be right in front of the heater. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to hit all the rust spots. Make sure none of them are future holes. Well, that's not ideal. No, that's what you call turning an anthill into a molehill. Every little speckle of rust was a hole behind it. This is because it's been recoated with paint several times. And even where there wasn't speckles, there's some holes now. So I'm going to have to hit the whole body with DA, get more paint off, see what kind of cottage cheese is under there. Yeah, let's try some different ones. Looks like most of last year's Sharpies aren't going to work this year. This will give us a line to know where we're repairing and what we're cutting out. Everything below this line basically will be cut out when we weld this one. Now I bought this panel and I can tell right away I'm going to have fun with it because they did not put this body sleeve on here. It's not in there. It's flat. So I was probably better off just making my own to start with. Like I did on the rest of it. That'll teach me. So all that gets cut out. This gets welded in. So I don't have to worry about that. But we do have quite a few spots of Swiss cheese. So we're going to have to really take after doing some cutting and replacing, just like the other side. We'll get her done. I won't do it all in one show because I'm finding out I've ran out a lot of supplies. So. But okay, that's where I'm going to start on this side. I probably should keep sanding on the rest of it, but maybe that's what I'll do. I'll get all the sanding done. Get it figured out. Didn't find a ton of Bondo in it, but right there's some previous body work. The other side isn't bad. I might have to find some more filing cabinets. Well, that's a start. About all the motivation I'm going to have for New Year's Day. So, I'm going to have to probably pick up some more sheet metal, figure this all out all over again. It is cottage cheese, and like I said when I started this project, most people would have never have touched this project. But for what I'm going to use it for, it came with a title, it was dirt cheap, and good therapy to get out in your garage, do something, create something. When you're done, you're going to be so proud of it, whether or not it's perfect. So, just get out and do something. Create something. It doesn't have to be a vehicle, it can be anything. We're going to get this all done up this year. I'd like to take it off-roading by the end of the year. So, this is a new year, new goals. Time to get it done. Thank you for watching.